In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a location in Waze. If you want quick access to a place you visit often, saving it in Waze can make future trips much easier. Instead of searching for the same destination every time, you can mark it and come back to it later in just a few taps or clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a simple and clear way. First, go to Waze and make sure you're on the home page. Once you're there, take a look over on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the tool you need to begin the process. If your screen looks a little different, just give yourself a second to scan the page and look for the editing controls. Next, click on the pencil icon. This opens the option that lets you interact more directly with the map and work with locations. It's a small icon, so make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving on. After that, go to the search bar and type in the location you want to save. Try to be as specific as possible when entering the place name or address because that will help Waze show you the most accurate result. If needed, you can include more details so the map points you to the correct area. Once you've entered the location, press enter on your keyboard. Waze will then search for that place and bring up the matching result on the map. Give it a moment if it takes a second to load, especially if your connection is a little slow. Now locate the exact spot on the map and click on it. This part is important because you want to make sure you're selecting the correct destination and not just a nearby road or building. If necessary, zoom in slightly and confirm the exact place before clicking. When you click the location, a pop-up will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel shows information and options related to the spot you selected. From here, you're just one step away from saving it. Next, look for the star icon. The star is the save option for that location, and it's what allows you to mark the place for easy access later. Click on the star, and once it turns yellow, that means the location has been saved successfully. That color change is your confirmation that Waze has stored it. And that's it. You've now saved a location in Waze, making it easier to find again whenever you need it.